So guys, papakita ko sa inyo magka-practice ako ng pari gamit itong main account ko guys. Magka-practice ako ng pari. So let's go guys. Let's go guys. Waitaan ko kayo kung paano ako magpani. Expert pa yung kalaban guys. Expert pa nga. Computer lang guys, practice eh. Expert na siya sa tagal-tagal ng panahon. Ngayon lang yung expert. Medyo naglalag guys. Ganon. Hindi naman nakaboss wifi. Naglalag guys. Ganon. Naglalag guys.
Where are you looking? I am here. You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
That's crazy guys. That's crazy.
Step, circle, swing. Darn it! I went a bit too far. You have slain an enemy. Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Saan mo na ako sa guys. Maglalagay ako ng damage bot guys. Pagkatang ko dito.
I'm planning on a surprise attack.
Ganyan guys.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Mali guys, mali. Ayan, mali. Hindi na masama.
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Dito naman. Ayan, ganun lang guys. May ginagawa
Where
kasi
are you
guys eh.
looking? I
Hindi
am
naman
here.
ako boss wifi eh.
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Nagahang guys.
My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Sa ganyan lang gagawin nyo guys.
Where are you
Yan.
looking? I am
Ganyan,
here.
Ano guys. Practice nyo lang to. Para matuto kayo.
Some birds are never meant to be caged.
Guys. Next dito guys.
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Patrolling bot guys. Maglalagay. Damage bot pala.
Any place is within reach for me.
Patrolling bot naman.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Ayan, guys. Patay na yan. Kung ano. Practice nyo lang guys.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Tapos pag sa buff naman ako guys. Ganito ginagawa ko. Bawa. Ito. Nari kalaban.
Don't dress in a gown for the close combat.
Ganyan guys. Sa ganito lang guys. Ayan.
Don't
Ano,
mind
guys?
me, just a little birdie passing by.
Dito sa mid. Kayang-kaya ko dito.
Killing spree.
So yun lang guys. Ayun, tapos na.